Welcome to Luca Drive Channel. Today I present you this wonderful Mazda Mx-5 from 2001. With over 1 million units sold, the Mazda Mx-5 is the world's best-selling roadster. The first Mx-5 was built in 1989. Currently in 2023 there are 4 different series of the Mazda Mx-5. The car in this video comes from the second series, the NBFL series, and is therefore the facelift model of the second series. Connoisseurs can see immediately that this car was lowered with a coilover suspension. In addition, the car was upgraded with a Kenwood touchscreen radio and a sports exhaust. Some people who have never driven an MX-5 say the MX-5 is not a sports car. They often argue with the low performance. A sport car does not necessarily need a lot of power. Much more important is the tuning, stable cornering, rear wheel drive, a low center of gravity and a crispy manual gear shift. These characteristics make the MX-5 fun on a winding country road. So in my opinion the Mx5 is a sports car. Write in the comments if you agree or not. In 2016, my brother and I took two Mazda's Mx5 NB-FL on a 3-month and 25,000 km trip along the coasts of Europe. We mostly drove on country roads. Although my car already had 216,000 km on the clock at the beginning of the trip, I completed the trip without a single breakdown. On the other hand, my brother had problems with his Mx5 with a brake caliper that did not open completely and was therefore replaced in a Mazda workshop. After the trip I continued to drive my Mazda until 2018. Unfortunately it had a lot of rust and was therefore no longer approved by the TÜV. Technically it was still working perfectly for 270,000 km at this point. Having limited funds at the time, I gave the Mazda away but kept the brown leather seats. Exactly these seats are installed in the blue Mx5, which has the main role in this video. For this reason I know the Mazda Mx5 NB-FL very well and can confirm that they are very reliable cars, which you can drive in a sporty way over a long period of time without the technology getting tired. The Mazda NB-FL has no electronic helpers. If the 146 wild Japanese horses break out the rear, the driver has to master the situation all by himself. The brakes overheat when you drive very sportly on a mountain pass or on the racetrack. The biggest problem with the Mx5 is probably the rust. In my opinion, the Mx5 is the ideal entry-level sports car. Although prices are likely to increase in the future, you get a lot of car for the money. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Luca Drive Channel so you don't miss any videos.